Hello, everyone. My name is Rahma Ahmed Bamali, and these are my group members Tamara, Margaret, and Eddie Khan. Next, please. Today, we'll be discussing lean production. Our focus would be on KFC and how it has adapted to lean principles. We'll begin by exploring the origins of lean production, how and why it was developed. Then, we'll introduce KFC as our chosen company and assess how lean principles have influenced its operations. Finally, we'll identify challenges KFC faces in implementing lean production and propose strategies to mitigate these issues. Next, please. Let's begin by understanding what lean production is. Lean production is a systematic approach to minimizing waste while maximizing productivity. The goal is to ensure efficiency, maintain high quality, and create conditions for automation and digitalizations. At the heart of lean production is customer satisfaction, ensuring that the right product is delivered at the right place, time, quantity, and quality. This concept is supported by the 5R principle, also known as the just in time principle, which plays a crucial role in Toyota's production system. Now that we understand what lean production is, let's look at how it was originated. Next, please. How lean was born. Lean production has its roots in early management theories. Frederick Taylor's Scientific Management, 1900, and Henry Ford's Assembly Line, 1913, introduced efficiency principles. In post World War II, Japan, resource shortages led Toyota's Taichi Ono and Eiji Toyoda to develop the Toyota production system known as TPS in the 1950s to 60s. Why was Lean born? Lean was created to eliminate waste, which is also known as MUDA, improve efficiency, enhance quality, and help Japanese manufacturers to compete globally, especially with American manufacturers. How has Lean developed? In the 1980s to 90s, Lean spread beyond Japan into industries like automotive and healthcare. From 2000 onwards, it expanded into restaurants like McDonald's and KFC. Today, digital advancements have led to Lean 40, integrating automation and data driven efficiency. Next, please. This is the critical review of lean production. We'll start by the benefits. Lean production helps businesses by reducing operational costs, improving efficiency, and ensuring better resource utilization. It also enhances productivity and quality standards, making operations more streamlined and effective. Companies that adopt lean production see increased profitability and satisfaction. So for the disadvantages, lean production is not without its challenge, obviously. It requires proper training, which many companies struggle with. Cultural resistance to change can also slow down its adoption. Additionally, limited financial resources can make implementation very difficult. Next, please.
We're going to be looking at the chosen organization, which is KFC. KFC was founded in 1952 by Holland. KFC's headquarters is in USA, and KFC is under the quick service restaurant industry. KFC has its 11 secret herbs and spices and has a global reach of 30,000 outlets. KFC has a very interesting motto, which is a finger licking good. Next, please. We're going to be looking at the SWOT analysis of KFC's internal environment. Under the strength, you have brand image, one of the largest restaurant chains, quick service restaurants, and corporate social responsibilities. Under weaknesses, we have high price, some unethical suppliers, logistics supply chain. And under the opportunities, KFC has franchises, cross-cultural expansion, innovation in new ideas, and for threat, KFC has market competition, substitute products, high-calorie food. Next, please. I know you might be wondering why I use SWOT analysis in KFC's lean production. Well, let me break it down for you. I'll be discussing why we use SWOT analysis in lean and how lean comes into the KFC internal environment, which we stated in the previous slide. Starting with strength, KFC's lean approach enhances its brand image by ensuring food consistency, reduces process delays, and supports sustainability efforts. For weaknesses, lean helps reduce high costs by eliminating non-value activities, which in turn affects the prices that KFC sells food to its customers, as well as improves supplier ethics through value stream mapping and enhances logistics with just-in-time strategies. Looking at the opportunities, Lean supports franchise growth with standardized processes, enables cross-cultural expansion through flexible practices, and drives innovation with continuous improvement methods like the Kaizen. Lastly, for threats, Lean helps KFC stay competitive by optimizing operations, counters substitute products with innovative menu options like the plant-based chicken, and addresses high-calorie foods by promoting healthier alternatives. We can see from this explanation that KFC's lean strategy strengthens opportunities, tackles challenges, and ensures long-term success. Next, please.
KFC employs a traditional quick service process to optimize efficiency through the following: batch cooking, holding system, efficient service delivery, and customer flow optimization. For batch cooking, KFC prepares its signature fried chicken in bulk, and then this follows standardized cooking procedures. This batch production enhances operational efficiency, reduces the need for on demand preparation, and ensures a steady food supply during peak hours. For holding system, instead of cooking individual meals per order, KFC utilizes warming trays to keep food at optimal pressures to balance speed, food quality, and then to ensure that the customers receive fresh meals without long waiting times. For efficient service delivery, the service process is designed for high speed transactions. Cashiers take orders, they retrieve pre cooked items from the holding unit, and then they serve the customers within seconds. This reduces bottlenecks and enhances overall customer satisfaction. Fourth, for customer flow optimization, this system minimizes congestion in KFC and then allows several customers to be served simultaneously and reduces queuing times and ensures smooth operations. Next slide, please. These are the types of muda eliminated by the traditional quick service system in KFC. The first type of muda is overprocessing. KFC minimizes overprocessing through structured production planning and quality management by implementing TQS to ensure that products consistently meet defined standards and then eliminate inefficiencies. The second type of muda is motion. The standardized procedures in TQS reduces unnecessary employee movements and then thereby enhances productivity. This structured approach saves time, energy, and then enables faster service delivery and then improved customer satisfaction. Waiting. The batch cooking and holding system significantly reduces customer waiting times by ensuring that food is readily available upon order. This proactive approach enhances service speed and consistency in preventing long queuing times. Next slide, please.
Due to the limitations of TQS, most importantly, only reducing a few types of muda waste, another solution is needed. The best strategy to align with lean adaptation would be the transition from TQS to a one-piece flow system. This method focuses on waste reduction, efficiency, and product quality. Some of the benefits of this process include reduced inventory level. This could lower storage space, reduce spoilage, and allow for better utilization of fresh ingredients. Secondly, lower operational expenses. Food waste, labor, and cooking processes would be optimized and used more efficiently in real time. Thirdly, shorter waiting times. This process ensures food is prepared when order comes, reducing delays that comes with batch cooking, leading to faster customer service. And finally, minimized overproduction. As food is made in response to demand, it is less likely to have unsold items. All these benefits link with specific muda waste reductions, as you can see on the figure. To make this one-piece flow system work, a signal is needed. This is when the Kanban system comes in that functions as a signal. At KFC, the cooking process would be triggered when a customer places an order, serving as a Kanban signal that initiates production on actual demand.
KFC's implementation of lean doesn't just happen like that. It's a step-by-step process that is aimed at improving efficiency, reducing waste, and enhancing customer satisfaction. The first step is to recognize needs. KFC needs to involve itself in identifying problem areas, inefficiencies in operations. Once the issues are clear, the next step is to define the purpose and objectives to ensure there is a clear vision for improvement. After setting the objectives, it is important to set priorities, focusing on the most critical areas that need attention. To ensure successful implementation, leadership must be assigned, giving responsibility to key individuals who will drive lean strategy forward. With leadership in place, employee training becomes essential, equipping staff with the knowledge and skills that they need to make the lean process work. Then the 5S. The 5S is applied. 5S simply means sorting, setting in order, shining, standardizing, and sustaining, which will help KFC maintain and organize efficient and clean workspace. Another crucial step is value stream mapping, which involves analyzing workflows to identify inefficiencies and also take out unnecessary steps. Once all these lean processes are in place, it is important to review and analyze performance to measure success and identify further improvements. Finally, to keep this progress going, continuous improvement, that is the Kaizen, is adopted, ensuring that the company consistently enhances its operations. By following these steps that we've just discussed, KFC can streamline its operations, improve productivity, and ultimately deliver good and wonderful services to its customers. Next, please.
These are the challenges and mitigation strategies in lean implementation in KFC. The first one is lack of advanced technology. This is a challenge because outdated machines and technology in KFC can lead to inefficiencies in cooking methods, delayed customers' orders, and increased operational waste. So, this challenge can be mitigated by adopting the Pokayoke and Milkman's Loop strategy to help streamline the process. Automated fryers, timers, and digital order systems can also enhance efficiency and reduce food preparation errors and optimize supply chain management. The second challenge is lack of standardization. So this is a challenge because inconsistent procedures across different KFC locations can result in variations in service quality, food preparation, and waste management, and this can impact their brand reputation. So this is a challenge, and then it can be mitigated by adopting strict recipe guidelines, standardized cooking procedures, and portion controls to ensure consistency in food quality and service delivery. The third challenge is limited knowledge and skills on lean tools. This is a challenge because employees most times are unfamiliar with lean methodologies and then they face difficulties in adopting best practices due to inadequate training, and it could affect operational efficiency in the environment. So this is a challenge, and then it can be mitigated by regular employee training, online learning platforms, and refresher courses to enhance staff proficiency in the adoption of lean tools to promote better workflow management and then waste and to reduce waste reduction. The fourth challenge is lack of staff. Inadequate staffing levels to increase workload can delay in services and then a decline in customer experience. So this can be mitigated by cross-training employees from time to time to ensure flexibility in workforce and then enable staff to swift food preparation and service. The fifth challenge is cultural barriers. This is a challenge because most times employees' resistance to change and high turnover rates can pose obstacles to KFC, and then the adoption of lean implementation here is very necessary because strong leadership commitment can foster a culture of continuous improvement. Next slide, please.
In summary, lean production aims to eliminate waste and improve quality. KFC currently uses TQS batch cooking, which does not fully align with lean principles. A one-piece flow system was recommended to enhance efficiency, reduce waste, and improve customer satisfaction through just-in-time production and standardized processes. The main recommendation for KFC is to review its operations and consider a hybrid method, integrating TQS and a one-piece flow system for a better efficiency. Thank you for listening, and these are our references.